Yo, what is up? It's Shava28. It's been a hot minute since I've recorded a video or even uploaded, but we are back and we are now starting my Unreal journey. Sounds cringe. Okay, basically I've set up a scenario to show you how to create dead. That's what I'm going to call it. I'm just going to call it dead. So basically I've set it up on one of these zombies, not two of these zombies. So as I run over to this zombie that just wants to run away from me, boop, no, okay, she dies. Easy, right? These zombies do not die. They have a health pool, but it doesn't disappear. They do not die. So I'm going to show you how to make them. I die apparently. I'm going to show you how to make them die. All right, so what you want to do is get to your zombie of choice. So slow zombie. Hopefully you have already created a damage blueprint. If not, just you need to make a decreased health. It's a whole different situation. I will leave a link down below to somebody that has a tutorial that shows you how to do this. I'm not getting into that today. What I'm going to get into and mainly base my videos off is stuff that I personally got stuck on and struggled to find the answers to. So right now we're going to create a custom event and we're going to call this enemy dead. All right, enemy dead. Let's just zoom in so it's easier for you guys to see. Enemy dead. Let's plonk it right here. Right, what we first want to do, because the enemy will die, right? We'll see to that in a minute. So what we've got here, custom event. First thing we want to do, if we just run this, nothing's gonna happen. Then they won't die because nothing happens. I put it at 2 HP, but the tick rate on the sword is about 7,000. So it just literally decimates them. So basically what we need to do, first of all, when an enemy dies, what do you want to start with? Disable movement. You can disable input. I don't know if it'll do the same thing. Wait, this is under motion tracking. I have no idea. It is one disable movement, but disable movement. Boing. So let's just make this nice and neat and tidy. Disable movement. Because when the NPC dies, you don't want them to move. Right, also, if you are a sucker for absolute random bullshit like me, then this is what you want. We want to set simulate physics. For my current mesh, my P mesh has no collision. So you want to set it for the character mesh. I could set it for the capsule, but we're not going to because I have another video coming about capsule components. So you can type in set phys, sex, fuck me, set simulate, whatever, but we're going to go with the original mesh, character mesh, not the P mesh, just the mesh. Bing bang bong, sing a little song. Right, but just to be safe, we are also, compared to what I said earlier, we're going to drag the P mesh over as well. Just going to line it up so it's nice and tidy. And just stick that in as well. The P mesh has 0 collision on anyway, but just to be safe, and depending on your situation, it's probably best to put both on. This has 0 collision on, but we're going to put it on just in case. But yes, we're setting the simulate physics. So we have ragdoll. Right, don't forget to click simulate. Next, for the slow zombie. Actually, skip that. What we want to do next, actually, is go up to the damage taken section. Take damage, whatever. We're going to go to branch. We're literally just going to get a reference. Let's just say dead. So we're going to call function enemy dead. Bim bam bomb. And this shouldn't work, but it could. Let's give it a go. Let's just run into this guy. He's now dead, right? So it worked. It fucking worked. Right, so let's kill off this crazy one. Bada bada bing, see ya la. Right, but now I'm going to show you an issue I have. Right, these are what I set up as shooter zombies. They shoot me, my life goes down, I die. Right, my life is going down. Bing bang bong. Let's try again. Right, we're now going to kill these. Whoop. See, collision issue. We're just going to kill this one too. But we have this issue. This is something I struggled to figure out for the life of me. I could not grasp my head around it. I was like, how the hell do I stop it? And I'm like, cancel, stop, end blueprint. I tried typing everything in until I had to do a bunch of research. It wasn't that much, okay? It was on an Unreal forum, but only it was a post which had one comment on it, and I thought, okay, I need to make a video about this because this is hella fucking annoying. So we're gonna pull from here, because on my own I never would have thought this. Stop logic, right? Okay, cool. We need to stop the logic. Doesn't show up. Let's click the context sensitive. Bam. Stop logic, right? But now I have the issue of like, what do I put in here? We have access to everything to go into here. And you can't just put target self. Doesn't work like that. If I click compile now, cannot work. Must have a target. What is the target? Well, I'm here to inform you what we want to pull off. This is where I would never have got this. We want to attach it to the brain component. We want to get brain component. Right? Okay, stick with me. Next, we need to get AI controller. Oh, can I even spell? I don't think so. Get AI controller. Next. I don't know why. It's just something somebody said on a post. And apparently it worked flawlessly as well. So let's pull this down. Now we're going to type in, we want to get a reference to self. Let's just click context again. Get a self reference. Because I picked my brain so many times trying to figure out how to stop the enemies from attacking when they're dead. Because I have a crazy zombie and a shooter zombie. Just for if you're making a shooter game or if you're making a melee based game, this thing works the same for every type. And there isn't really any other types of attacks, is there really now? Getting shot or being hit. So enemy dead, disable movement so they can't run, because if you set the physics, they're going to fall over when they're dead, ragdoll, but then they're still going to run around, which could be really, really funny. Now that I think about it, maybe I'll just make that for a little short one day or some shit. But yeah, so we want to stop the movement, character movement, simulate physics, mesh, p-mesh, just to be on the safe side, stop logic, brain component, it'll bring the target out anyway, get AI controller, self. So compile, save, I'm going to literally just run it, bing, do, slap you up, do. Now, I'll just wait for this one to shoot me. Anyway, she's shooting me, so I'm going to go up, slap the old granny, boom, she will not shoot me anymore. And that is how you stop your AI from doing absolutely anything. If they are mid-climb, chasing you, anything like that, just use stop logic, brain component, target, AI, and self. And that is it. I hope this was helpful. More helpful tips coming soon. I'm going to start making more videos about things I find out that I find extremely helpful and interesting. Because I have been away from YouTube for too long. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You guys are legends. Peace. Right. Let's just move this so it's nice. Oh, it's still going to grab both. Right. No! Why did you do that? I hate this Visual Studio shit. Sometimes you accidentally click twice and it just wants to open this. It takes 45 minutes to open. I don't even know what I clicked on. This is some blooper shit right here. Look how long it takes to open this shit. It's just not even responding. Not responding. Fuck my life. Shit stresses me out.